Hello friends, now today we shall discuss this Siemens Sirius. You remember the other day I have my video which I posted the other time. In that case I did not explain so much, and actually that time we were testing with a smaller motor, but now we are testing with a bigger motor. This one is 160 kilowatt soft starter. Remember the other one I posted, it was 110 kilowatt. So this one is a bigger one, and I'm going to do very fast explanation. Okay, we have my three set of relays here. The first relay is the run relay, the second one is the trip, and the third one is the operations relay. It will indicate the lamps on and off, and at the same time it will run the fan. You can see the number 11. This is for the fans. You can see the 11 number there, and this other fan, number 11. For the lamps, you can see there is number 9 there, and there is number 8. It is coming from this relay. Number 8 is an off, and number 9 is a run. So both of them will come from this relay, which is operation relay. You can see it is the coil is neutral and 11. Our 11 is coming from here. You can see on, run. It will indicate the soft starter is running, and the other one is a bypass. This one, number 13, is going to energize the bypass contactor. You can see the bypass contactor. So when it peaks, it will run both the soft starter and the bypass contactor. Both of them will run in parallel. You see they are connected in parallel, down and up. They are connected in parallel. Then on the other hand, we have the second relay, 2KA, which is a trip relay. You can see it is energized from number 7. In case of an overload or anything or any failure, number 7 there will energize the second relay, and it will indicate there on the yellow lamp. You see the yellow lamp is coming from the second relay. On the other hand, our first relay is the one you energize from the source, from the push buttons, and from our 24-hour timer. You can see our 24-hour timer, you can see there. From number 2, we have that number 4 cable, which will come to that relay, first relay. Same case applies to the push button side. The push button side, yeah, they will also energize the same relay, the same first relay. Yeah, now at the moment it's not running, but after some times it will be running. Okay. Yeah, I will show you the motor, the size of the motor, and I will also show you what is happening. Okay, I will continue with this video. Yeah, so you can see that soft starter, my settings there. Just check my settings. Yeah, I have set at 200 and out 220 amps. Yeah, everything you can see the settings there. Okay. Yeah, this is a permanent supply. 220 there, and 01 and 03 is the one which will be operated from the first relay. Okay, and number 1 there, and the two number ones are the common supply to 20. Okay guys, yeah. Basically the work of our soft starter is to run, we shall have 3 soft starters, yeah, but the one which is connected at the moment is that pump. Is to run this motor, which is a pump motor. You can see the pump side. They are very big. Actually, they are very big. You can see our cable here. We have already connected our cable. Yeah. Our motor is 132 kilowatt motor, which 240.6 amps. Yeah. So we have our cable here, which is 185 mm, cable, and you can see the motor. The motor is a big size. Actually, basically the work, what they are doing, these 3 pumps, they will be taking water somewhere. I will show you. Yeah. The pumps will be taking water from this reservoir, water reservoir, up into the hill there. At the hill there we have our tank there. Because of the sun it will not be so visible. Then the water will come draining down. It will come draining down, you can see. And it will be a cycle of taking the water up and bringing down. Let me show you the tank. That's very fun. Our tanks are up there on those hills. They're up there. Once the tank is full from this motor, then there will be an overflow from the tanks. There will be an overflow and the water will come flowing down. So it will look like a river, a natural river or something like that. Then the water will come flowing down here. Flowing down, then it will go back to the tank. And that will be the cycle. Okay, thank you guys. Yeah.